Good afternoon from Ignite, the #1 coaching center in Kerala for NATA, JEE, Architecture, NIFT, NID, UZ. Today we are with the analysis of JEE 2019 Architecture paper on January 6th morning session. So the topics on discussion is exam pattern, the memory-based question analysis from our students, and the expected cutoff and last rank details of the top NITs and SP. The JEE 2020 paper 2 for the BR plan consisted of mainly the 3 sessions. Aptitude, it consists of 50 questions, and mathematics for 25 questions, and drawing 1 compulsory questions, and the second questions you can choose from an option of 3. The exam had a total of 77 questions and it was for a duration of 3 hours. For each correct answer, the candidate will get 4 marks, and for any question answered incorrectly, 1 mark will be deducted. The total marks for JEE main paper 2 for BIAC is 400 marks, with the drawing section being 100 marks. And some of the memory-based aptitude questions from our students, that one of the questions was based on the size of brick, and the right answer is 19 centimeter into 19 centimeter, 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. And they asked about Lowry Pyramid, whether it's a museum or something, and the right answer is a museum. And the third question was about the cow days color. The yellow is the cow days color. And fourth question was about where the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminal is situated, and its right answer is Mumbai. And next was the state of Konark, and its answer is Odisha. And then next question was another name for sunshade, that is Lowry. And the size of doors was asked, and the correct answer is 2.1 meter. And concentrating on the aptitude questions, mainly the questions was based on mirrors. 4 to 5 numbers were there. 4 to 5 numbers questions were there, and about to identify the same size and shape. And the question was based on how it will look when the box is open or closed, and questions based on plan and elevation was also asked. And about the drawing section, the first compulsory questions was to draw a cylinder using cylinders, create a visually exciting composition using colors. And with our part, out of the creation and the wow factor, which will create the excitement, and some of marks or the additional marks will be for correctness in light and shadow you have done to score good marks. And the next session, the second question, which you can draw from option of 3. The first question was gymnastic class near you, and the second question was playground, having some of the students playing in the playground. And if you have drawn that with proper understanding of scale and proportion and a good perspective, you will score well. And the third option was to draw a good portrait, and that was for draw a good portrait of your grandfather. Hope you have done it well. And about coming to the expected cutoff marks, the aptitude, it was difficult level was from average and simple, and if you are scoring about 175 to 185 marks, then you would have most probability of getting a 99 percentile. And with the max, the difficulty level was a slight above average, or we could say that it's much tougher. And if you are scoring about in a range of 25 to 35, then it's a good chance to get into the 99 percentile. And for the drawing level, it was simple, and if you are drawn with proper understanding of scale and proportion and perspective, you have scored better marks. And here is the last drawing details of top NITs. Okay, you can check into that, the NIT Calicut, NIT Raipur, and NIT Hamirpur, with all the OBC general categories. And this is the continuation for the previous slide. Okay, you can pause the video and check the detailed ranks. And this is the last rank details for SBAs for both planning and architecture. for all the categories, general, OBC, SC, ST and all.